Hello and welcome, Health Science Academy parents. My name is Elizabeth Hayward-Jansen, and I'm one of the instructors for Holyoke Community College's Field Experience course. This is the hands-on healthcare course that teaches students certified nursing assistant skills so that students will be able to have some employable skills upon graduating or completing the course. The course is run on Monday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Thursday afternoons from 3:30 to 7:30 for the first half of the semester. And then the second half of the semester, roughly, we are in a long-term care setting doing the evening care routines for long-term care and rehabilitation residents. So the course for the second half of the semester can run from 4 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. At the end of the course, students have a really strong sense of whether a hands-on healthcare career is a great fit for them, or if maybe something more behind the scenes, less hands-on, such as healthcare management or healthcare administration, may be a better fit for them. It's a really fun course. Students come out of the class with skills that they can apply to their life if they're helping to care for a family member, or if one day they will need to help care for a family member. It's skills that they'll have in their toolbox to apply to their life circumstances whenever they might need them. I'm happy to answer any questions. If you want to contact Kara or Carrie for my direct contact information, I'd be happy to speak with any of you further. Thanks so much, and thanks for watching.